August 12th, 2021. How's it going, guys? Well, I got another video for you. Got back late here to last night here. And right now it's 12:38 in the morning. And we got ATVs and dirt bikes going up and down. And what you're looking at is one right there. I'm going to play the audio of one of the deals here. Let's take a listen to this, guys. You hear that? All right. Still having those mini bikes and ATVs and dirt bikes going up East 47th Street. Not good, guys. Right in between Crysler and Northfleet up here. Anyway, guys, keep your eyes open and have a good one out there.